Hi, my name is Jesper, and I'm the designer of the board game Checkpoint Rally, which I'll now show you how to play. This is the setup for Checkpoint Rally. Checkpoint Rally is a route building, tile laying race game. The object of the game is to race your car across the map, hitting checkpoints on your personal checkpoint card, which shows which map tiles you have to hit to place your tokens on them to show that you have hit your checkpoints. Driving and taking actions in the game, placing tiles. It all takes time, which is tracked on the stopwatch. The player who first hits all checkpoints using the least amount of time is the winner of the game. There are 3 different road types in Checkpoint Rally. There are urban roads, gravel roads and highways. There are also 4 different terrain types which are on each side of the map tiles. There's urban, grassland, desert and mountains. When placing a tile on the map, you get a bonus for matching terrain types and road types. If I place this map tile here, I would get a 1-minute bonus for the urban road, for the city terrain and the grassland terrain. That would be a 3-minute bonus. When racing the cars across the different types of road, the 6 different cars in the game have different specs, different time they use on each type of road. For a 3-player game, there are 2 different sets of cars, so that each player have a preferred road, in this case highway, urban road and gravel road. In the game you can take a number of actions. You may draw 2 maps, which takes 2 minutes, clocked on the stopwatch. Maps drawn are taken from the face down pile. You may then place a map that takes 4 minutes, minus 1 minute per matching terrain and road. Then you may drive your car 1, 2 or 3 map tiles on the board if you're able to, and that takes time as the car specification sheet as shown before. Finally, you may refresh the map road. That takes 1 minute. The map row are the face up map tiles, 3 pieces. In order to draw the face up tiles, you need to use your GPS update. Each player have 2 GPS updates at the start of the game. When using one, you flip it to the spent side. When using a GPS update, you do not spend time on the stopwatch, you only use your GPS update. It has 3 uses. You may draw a map from the face up row. You may keep a map you replace on the board. If I replace a tile, the already placed tile is discarded. But if you spend a GPS update, you may put the replaced tile into your hand instead. Finally, you may rotate an already placed map tile by spending a GPS update. I'll now play through the first couple of turns, showing how the start of the game works. Player order is randomized. The next player is always the one with the time marker on top of a stack, or the one who has spent the least amount of time on the stopwatch. By draw, it is green who starts. First action of the game is to place your starting tile and placing your car on that. In a 3-player game, you have a neutral corner where you place a random tile. Green goes first, looking at the tiles. Preferring urban road, green places this tile here. Placing a tile, that's 4 minutes minus any matches for road or terrain. We have urban terrain here, so that's 1 match, so 3 minutes. Driving on urban road is 2 minutes, total of 5. Now it is yellow. Yellow prefers gravel road but have none. Yellow will play this tile. 1 match, 4 minus 1 is 3. Driving on highway is 5 minutes for a total of 8. Blue prefers highway. Has 1 highway, that's a poor match. Instead, blue plays this tile for 2 matches. 4 minutes minus 2, that's 2. Gravel road, 4 minutes for a total of 6. So now it is green again. Green needs to go to this tile, placing this urban road here. Urban road and city terrain, 2 matches, that's 2 minutes. So it is blue again. Blue now have save the tile with highway, placing that here, giving 1 match for highway and 1 match for mountains for 2 matches, 2 minutes. It is now green. Green can now race to the checkpoint. Urban road and gravel road, that's 2 minutes and 5 minutes, 7 minutes total, 14. We have now reached the end game. All players have placed 2 checkpoint tokens. It is yellow to take a turn. Yellow needs to go to this tile. With only 2 tiles, that is a bit of a problem. So when placing this tile, replacing this one, when replacing this one, there are 4 matching terrains and road. 3 terrains, 1 road. So that's 4 matches. When replacing for another 2 matches. When placing it, that's 0 minutes for placing that tile. Yellow elects to spend a GPS update to keep this tile, and it is still yellow, so yellow can now take this tile, replace this one for 2 matches, urban terrain and mountains, placing it for another match, 3 total, so that's 1 minute to place that tile. So it is still yellow. Yellow can now race twice on gravel road, 2 minutes each. That's 4 minutes. Now it is green. Green needs to go to this tile. Green prefers urban road, but doesn't have any. So green can spend a GPS update drawing this tile. With a hand limit of only 3, green has to discard 1 tile, and it is still green. Green can now spend the last GPS update and draw this tile, discarding another one, and can now replace this tile here. No matches on the replaced tile. One match here. That's 3 minutes for placing that tile. Now it is blue. Blue needs to go to this tile. Blue will replace this tile. For one match on the tile and one match. That's 2 minutes to place that tile. Now it is green. Green replaces this tile. One match for the desert and one match for the highway. That's 2 minutes. Now it is yellow. Yellow can now place this tile for 2 matches. That's 2 minutes. Driving onto the tile, gravel road. That's 5 minutes for 12. Finishing the last checkpoint. Finishing first in a 3-player game gives you a 2-minute bonus and places your car here. Green needs to go here, having only one tile left. Can be placed here for 1, 2, 3, 4 matches. That's not green to take a turn. Blue now races on urban road, highway and urban road for a total of 12 minutes. That's 18. Overtaking yellow, who has finished. Blue does not take any more turns, so blue did not finish all checkpoints, having to go to this point. Now it is green, placing this tile. Grassland matching, grassland, urban road and city terrain, 4 matches total. That's 0. And green can now race to the last checkpoint. Highway, 8 minutes. Urban, 2 times 2 minutes. For a total of 8 minutes. That's 15. Drawing a tile. But finishing the race second gets a 1-minute bonus. Not enough to finish faster than yellow, but finishing nonetheless. And this is how you play Checkpoint Rally. Yellow is the winner. Green is second. Blue came third, even though blue didn't finish all checkpoints. Thanks for watching.